Come live your best life at Eastridge Residence.
We're going to talk about saving money a little bit this morning. I bet that got you to the edge of your seat. I hope that it did. Aaron Dixon is on the show with us this morning. He has Insurance Advisors.
Yeah,
nice
thanks for having me.
Good to see you. So I think all of us are looking for ways in between the lines to save a little bit here and there. You certainly want to have enough insurance, but you want to be paying the right premium for that insurance.
Right, affordable premiums, because most states premiums are increasing and on the rise. So we can reshop your policies to see if there's any areas where your coverages aren't adequate or if you need a better price.
We had a chance to come out to your offices in Eastridge not long ago, and it was so fun. And of course we were there for work, but there were other people in the office who were there for their own business needs. And it seems like a very happy place, Aaron.
We're all good friends, and like our clients are our friends, so we really treat them like we would our own family.
Well, I would imagine that somebody comes to you for one particular type of insurance, and then that trust develops, and they then bridge that into another one because you're a broker.
Exactly. We pretty much cover all lines of insurance. A lot of times people think of just their home and auto policies, which is good. We can get bundle quotes together for them for that, but we do all types of policies. We do boat insurance for marine. We do ATV, your toys, your four-wheelers, that sort of stuff, and even campers and RVs.
You mentioned bundling. Do people sometimes have the wrong idea and make an assumption that bundling is going to be the right choice when it isn't always?
Yeah, it isn't always. I mean, there's times where it's not the right choice. Maybe the rates are just better keeping it separately, so we do see that sometimes, but the more policies you add on, typically the more you save.
Is there kind of a philosophy, a psychology behind insurance where some people, I have a friend, and he has a lot, used to anyway, a lot of insurance policies, but it gave him comfort to know he had that protection.
Yeah, I think so. I think peace of mind goes a long ways with people. Once they understand what they have, or you can better their situation, that gives them a peace of mind to know they made the right decision.
Okay, knowing what you have is something that a lot of us don't get an A in, because you've really got to sit down with your advisor and say, okay, the policy you took out when you were 30 might not be the policy you need at 40.
You need at 40, exactly, yep. So
do you, what is your then method? Do you contact people and say, listen, I know you had this child, let's sit down and maybe re-examine some
we
things.
do. We try to touch base like with life changes, getting married, having a kid, things like that, because it does change your overall situation, and so it's a good time to review all of your policies at that time.
If you are a parent watching and you've got teenage drivers at your house, does that have to be as much of a white knuckle feeling as we make it be?
I think I tell people that kids, especially guys, are going to pay higher rates until at least age 25 or 26. It's just part of the way the insurance companies price the coverage. So I recommend that kids try and stay on their parents' auto insurance as long as they can, and then try to migrate to their own policy after they're a bit older.
Is there a reason they would have to switch off of it before age 25 or 26?
No, they can stay on it as long as their parents are willing to keep them on it.
Because if they're insured on their own, it's going to really skyrocket.
So having the parents on there kind of bring it down just a little bit.
Okay. See, that's why he's called Insurance Advisors. He gives you the advice on what to do. So it's everything from car and boat and the fun toys to life insurance, Medicare,
health insurance for younger people. So anyone that has to buy health insurance via the exchange, maybe they're not offered it through their job, we can assist and help with that. Obviously, you can always go to healthcare.gov and submit your application, but we make things so much simpler. Like, our average appointment's probably 30 minutes or to an hour, versus you may spend a couple of hours on the phone or on the website trying to see, what am I supposed to do here?
And not being sure that you did it the right way.
Yeah, exactly.
Plus, they're just friendly, like I told you. So go walk in their door, make an appointment. They would love to have a chance to help you. On Spring Creek Road in Eastridge, 485-3078 is their phone number. Online, insuranceadvisorstn.com. Aaron Dixon, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Julia, what are you doing? We have a commercial to film.
I'm taking a break.
Breaks are what we're telling people about. Budget breaks.
Visit budgetbreaks.com for locations and coupons. Budget Breaks. Breaks starting at just $100.
Severe weather in our area is serious. Count on the Local 3 Storm Alert team to keep you safe, warning you in advance that severe weather is coming and tracking storms minute by minute down to your neighborhood. Wherever you live, trust the experience of the Local 3 Storm Alert team.
I'm C Mark.
I'm John Mark.
And I'm Local Mark. Yes, you are. Never text and drive.
Always wear your seatbelt.
And always hire local.
Yes, you should.
If you're hurt, call us at 265-HURT.
That's 265-4878.
We are your local Marks.
Your dirty vents may be telling you something. Pounds of dirt, dust, and contaminants are trapped in your air ducts. That's why you need a professional air duct cleaning from Stanley Steamer. We've been cleaning air ducts the right way for over 25 years. Our NADCA certified technicians and powerful equipment clean your entire system, extracting the dirt into our trucks, removing it from your home completely. For better indoor air quality and improved HVAC efficiency,
call 1-800-STEAMER. Stanley Steamer gets your home cleaner.
We want you to be a part of the Local 3 team. Come grow your